Hello everyone, my name is Endang Sari Simarmata. Today I'm going to present my semantic analysis and the title is Let Your Colors Burst, a semantic analysis of metaphor in Katy Perry's firework. So let's start by understanding what a metaphor really is. Basically, a metaphor helps us explain something abstract by comparing it to something more familiar or concrete. For example, if someone say I'm drowning in problems, it doesn't mean they are in the water. They just feel overwhelmed. We use metaphors like this all the time, even without realizing it. Now, why did I choose a song for this analysis? Because music often uses metaphors to deliver emotion or deep message. One of the best examples is Katy Perry's Firework. This song is full of motivational metaphors that talk about self-worth and confidence. The purpose of my analysis is to show how these metaphors work using semantic theories, especially the one by Lakoff and Jensen. The main theory I use is conceptual metaphor theory by Georgi Lakoff and Mark Johnson. According to them, metaphors are not just poetic tools, they are part of how we think. For example, when we say life is a journey, it shapes the way we understand life with goals, obstacles, and direction. Other experts like Gottlieb say that metaphors help us understand abstract ideas. Chris points out that meaning can change based on context or culture, and convexes at the metaphor are often shaped by shared emotion in society. Let's start with the first example from the lyric. Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind? This metaphor shows someone who feels lost or powerless. Like a plastic bag blowing in the wind, it has no control over where it's going. This is what we call an ontological and orientational metaphor because it compares a person to an object and suggests direction. The next verse says, do you ever feel so paper thin like a house of cards, one blow from caving in? This line describes someone who feels emotional fragile. A house of cards looks strong but collapses easily, just like people who look fine on the outside but are struggling inside. This is supports the idea the mental state is structure. Now let's go to the chorus. Cause baby you are a firework, come on let your color burst. Here, the firework represents someone's inner power, beauty, and uniqueness. The phrase "let your color burst" means to express yourself proudly and confidently. It's such a powerful metaphor because it encourages people to be bold and shine. Other metaphors in the song include "spark in you," which shows inner potential, "ignite the light," which means waking up your passion or hope, and "after a hurricane come a rainbow" means there's always hope after hard time. All these metaphors work together to give a message of strength and self-love. So, why do these metaphors matter? Because they turn emotion into something we can feel and visualize. Listeners can relate more easily to the message when it's expressed this way. These metaphors also show values like confidence, hope, and resilience, which are very important in our life. To conclude, the metaphors in firework are more than just poetic expressions. They help us understand deeper meanings and inspire us to believe in ourselves. Based on Lakoff and Jensen's theory, and also other experts like Gottlieb and Covexes, we can say that metaphor is not just about language, it's about talk the experience. This song proves that language can really empower and motivate people. I think that's all. I apologize for any mistake. Thank you for attention.